May nag-aalok ba sa iyo na bumili ng bahay kahit na walang down payment? Aside from rent to own, hindi po totoo yun. It's a strategy na ginagamit ng ilang mga kasama nating mga advisors na nilulure yung mga kababayan natin into buying a home without saving for a down payment. So how does it work? Well, every year na nag-work ka, nakakaipon ka ng RSP room. 18% of your income, you could put in an RSP. Now, hihingi nila yung notice of assessment mo. Sasabihin nila, may 18, 20, 30,000 ka dito. However, keep in mind, RSP room lang po yun. Hindi po RSP money yon. If you've never made a contribution sa RSP mo, wala kang RSP money. Hindi mo pwedeng ipang down payment yon kasi walang laman yon. Paano nga nagkakaroon ng pera doon? Ang ginagawa po ng group na ito ay i-apply kanila ng RRSP loan. Utang po yun. Unfortunately, karamihan sa nagagawa ng ganong strategy, hindi po nila nare-realize na na-apply pala sila ng utang. So, doble-doble utang natin ngayon. May RSP loan ka, tapos after 90 days, lalabas mo yung pera from your RSP para ipang down payment mo. It's a good strategy kung kayang i-maintain yung monthly amortization. However, keep in mind na magbabayad ka rin ng mortgage. So, yung perang inutang mo for your down payment mapupunta sa RSP mo, both of this kailangan mo ibalik. So, nagbabalik ka ng pera para sa utang, nagbabalik ka rin ng pera para sa RSP na winidraw mo. On top of that, you're also making your mortgage payments. So that's what put people at a disadvantage po. Kasi before you know it, 3 utang yung binabayaran mo and you're barely making it. Kasi nga, you also bought your dream house. The most expensive house that you could get approved for. Kaya po, kailangan financially aware po tayo. Huwag basta maniniwala sa mga promises. Unfortunately, ang mga gumagawa po nito ay mga kababayan din natin. So hopefully, meron po kayong napulot na konting tips sa video na ito. I'm sorry, hindi pa ako masyadong well-versed sa pagbe-video, but I wanna deliver something useful para sa ating mga Filipino Canadians. If you have any questions po, feel free to book an appointment with me. It's free one-on-one consultation. You don't have to be a client actually if you don't want to work with us. But then yung sa amin lang po, transparent service at yung katotohanan lang. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day.